Welcome to this tutorial on the latest features in Stella by IC Systems. In this video, we will explore the enhanced capabilities for managing graphical inputs and controlling the display options in your interface. First, let's look at the new option for Graphicals. When you are working with the table and need to change multiple Y values, Stella now offers a convenient way to apply your changes across all subsequent Y values. To use this feature, simply check the box labeled Spread Y Value Changes Downward. This action will ensure that any change you make to a Y value will automatically be applied to all following Y values in the table. This is particularly useful when you need to update a series of values quickly and consistently. This feature works on the interface and also when it is published on Exchange. Also, you can now have control over how the dialog initially displays. You can choose whether it starts as a graph or a table, depending on your preference or the needs of your users. Additionally, you have the option to allow users to switch between the graph and table views. We hope you find these updates helpful and look forward to seeing how you incorporate them into your projects. Thank you for watching and be sure to explore all the new possibilities with Stella's latest updates.